How to change YouTube channel name without losing verification. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who has a verified YouTube channel but you want to change your channel name without losing your verification status, this is how you do it. First thing first, you can open either YouTube or YouTube Studio to edit your channel info. I'll continue on with normal YouTube app. Make sure that you're logged into your account here. Go to the U section at the bottom right. I currently don't have a verified account, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. It doesn't matter if your account is verified. If you want to change your name, you can easily do it and your verification status is not going anywhere. So all you have to do here is tap on view channel and you can update your channel info. So tap on the edit icon. On your channel settings, you can easily go ahead and go to the name section and change it just like so. And once you have done that, tap on save. Now your name changes will be reflected only on YouTube, and you can change your name twice in 14 days. So tap on save and you've successfully changed your name, and your verification status is not going anywhere as well. So if it says if you cannot use the name, just remove any dots or other punctuations if you've added them, and you're going to be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe. See you in the next one.